Hi, I'm Gwena Margolis with eXp Realty. I'm out here in Georgetown in Parmer Ranch with Sitterle Homes today. Some of the things I love about Georgetown, that Sitterle is only about 18 minutes from the downtown square. Grab a beer, walk around, check out all the adorable shops. This neighborhood's gonna be amazing. They're getting their own elementary school, as well as the middle school will be in the neighborhood, an HEB right at the entrance of the neighborhood. You then have parks with a dino dig, you have green belts, you have trails. The amenity center is going to have workout facilities, there's a pool to cool off in this Texas heat, and all the things that you would expect from a high-end resort right here where you live. Some of the amazing things about Sitterle itself, you have 1-story as well as 2-story options, and then you can add the semi-customizable options to the home. The easiest part of my job as a realtor is bringing them into the sales rep with Sitterle Homes. He has a plethora of knowledge about the construction process that my clients and I can ask him any question and almost get an immediate response. So give me a call and let's start dating different houses to see which one is worthy of marriage.